This 2026 Sunset Park RV Sun Lite 16BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Sunset Park RV is 16 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, water heater, refrigerator, air conditioning, smoke detector, self-contained, LP detector, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Sunset Park RV Sun Lite 16BH is 2,580 pounds. This 2026 Sunset Park RV Sun Lite 16BH. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.